If your car has wired CarPlay or Android Auto, there is simple upgrade that cuts the car entirely and it fits in the palm of your hand. This is the AD5 AI Box from ATOTO Zone, and today we are breaking down exactly what it does, who it's for, and whether it's worth it. The 85 is a wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. That means if your factory head unit only supports a wired connection, this device converts it to fully wireless, no cable required. Once it's set up, it connects to your car's USB port using a standard USB-A or USB-C cable. And from that point forward, your phone connects automatically when you get in the car. Setup takes just a few minutes. You plug the 85 into your car's CarPlay or Android Auto USB port. Pair your phone once via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and from that point, it's automatic every time. For CarPlay, it requires an iPhone 5 or new running iOS 9.0 or later. For Android 11.0 or later is required. Though Google and Samsung phones work on Android 10.0 and Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, and Note 8 work on Android 9.0. It's compatible with most factory and aftermarket head units that support at least one wired CarPlay or Android Auto connection. However, it is not compatible with BMW models or most Subaru models. Some vehicles, including certain Nissan models from 2016 to 2020 Isuzu Camry, the 2023 Toyota Crown, 2023 Lexus NX, and Volkswagen units with DZS will require an additional power cable connection. One of the standard specs on the 85 is its dual Wi-Fi module. One Wi-Fi band is dedicated entirely to maintaining the CarPlay or Android Auto connection, while the second connects to the internet independently. This separation is what allows two devices to run online apps without interfering with navigation or calls. It also features dual Bluetooth, one channel for the CarPlay or Android Auto link, and one available for additional features like the built-in OBD-II diagnostic support. The 85 runs a closed Android system with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. It does not support the Google Play Store. Instead, apps are installed through ATOTO Zone's own platform called FindApps. Through that store, users can access apps including YouTube, which is one of the headline features here. This is important to understand before purchasing. The app library is curated and limited to what ATO Zone makes available through Find Apps. The 85 includes a built-in AI assistant called DriveChat, which is powered by ChatGPT. It's designed for internal voice interaction while driving, covering things like answering questions, providing navigation context, and general AI assistance. The device also provides access to additional AI chatbot options beyond Droid Chat. There is a Bluetooth screen lock features that automatically locks the display when your phone moves out of Bluetooth range and unlocks it when you return. The device also supports Bluetooth OBD-II scanners sold separately, which can pull vehicle diagnostic data directly to the screen. The 85 measures 2.5 by 2.5 inches with a depth of just 0.57 inches and connects via micro USB on the device side. The package includes a Y cable for vehicles where the USB port does not supply sufficient power on its own. ATO Zone provides regular firmware updates available for download and manual installation. These updates are intended to improve performance and add features over time. The 85 comes with a 12-month warranty from the date of purchase, with an additional 6 months available through direct communication with the after-sales support team. Support is available on workdays with multilingual documentation included in the box. That's the 85A box, a wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter with dual Wi-Fi, dual Bluetooth, a built-in AI assistant, and access to apps like YouTube through ATO Zone's Find App Store. It's straightforward upgrade for most wired CarPlay and Android Auto vehicles with a few compatibility Exceptions worth checking before you buy.